I have a very odd routine that only came to be as a result of my doing this research and writing this book. I get up to my art room and paint for 2 or 3 hours. Then I put on my hiking boots and I go out and I walk through the woods of Pennsylvania for another hour to 3 hours. It's a long morning. I used to be sleep in, no energy in the morning. And when I switched all my thinking toward creativity, my body started wanting to do things. It wants to paint, walk, and hug my loved ones and play with them. We got a 3-year-old in the house. I can chase her around. We're both giggling. I think I'm finally at 62 almost, living the way humans evolved to live.